Hi, I'm Hope Tucker. Welcome to Five Valleys Restoration and Cleaning. I'm the media consultant here. Five Valleys Restoration and Cleaning has been serving Missoula and the Five Valley areas for 10 years. Matt Kavanaugh dreamed of starting his own restoration cleaning business and decided to make that dream a reality in October of 2008. With over 20 years of experience and expertise, he built the company through hard work, dedication, and loyalty. Five Valleys Restoration and Cleaning is locally owned and operated, fully licensed and insured with the highest level of professionalism. We offer 24-hour service 365 days of the year. We pride ourselves on treating our clients with the utmost care by making an uncomfortable and stressful situation as seamless and smooth as possible. From start to finish, we service our clients through the initial cleanup to the final repairs. We offer an extensive list of complete restoration services: flood damage, fire and smoke restoration, mold damage, odor removal, trauma and biohazard cleanup, renovations, carpet and upholstery cleaning, vehicle detailing, construction, drywall repair, and interior and exterior painting. No loss is too small or too large. Our technicians are trained and certified by the Institute of Inspection, Cleaning, and Restoration Certification Organization, the IICRC, to ensure our clients receive quality and comprehensive service. Additionally, at Five Valleys Restoration and Cleaning, we require all new employees to complete our own certification program within the company. This is done by watching in-house training videos and passing the written test that follows. It is then that you will be able to begin working with clients in the field. We are happy to have you as a part of the team, and we look forward to working with you.